Hi guys, Rupa here with a quick tutorial on how to make air fryer donuts using a few basic ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. These donuts are really super easy to make in the air fryer. All you need are jumbo biscuits, butter, sugar, cinnamon, and some cooking spray, plus powdered sugar for a glaze and sprinkles for an optional topping. Start with your biscuits on a tray or cutting board. My biscuits happen to be butter flavored, but I've made these before with just plain biscuits and they were just as good. The next step is to cut out the donut hole. I did not have a small enough cookie cutter for this, so I just used the cap for my chocolate sprinkles. Worked like a charm. Set the stamped out biscuit dough aside for later. Spray your air fryer basket with cooking spray and then set your donuts inside, making sure to space them out so they're not touching each other. I was able to fit 4 donuts in my air fryer. Now your donuts are ready to cook. They should go in at 350 degrees for about 3 minutes for the first side. Then you'll want to flip your donuts over and cook the other side for 3 more minutes. While your donuts are cooking, you can melt some butter in a bowl, and in another bowl, prepare your cinnamon sugar mix, which is literally just mixing some white sugar with some ground cinnamon. Once your donuts are cooked, dip them in the melted butter and then the cinnamon sugar mix, making sure to coat both sides evenly. You can sprinkle extra cinnamon sugar on top if you'd like. For glazed donuts, mix some butter with powdered sugar. I've made a glaze with just these 2 ingredients before and it turned out just fine. You can also add in some almond or vanilla extract for flavoring and a dash of milk, half and half, or heavy cream to improve the texture. Dip your warm donut into the glaze to coat one side and then set it aside to cool slightly. For a sprinkle topping, pour your favorite sprinkles into a bowl and let your donut take a dip, glaze side down. There you have it, super easy and super tasty air fryer donuts that everyone will love. And don't forget about those donut holes. You can pop those into the fryer for a couple of minutes on each side and top with your favorite toppings for a bite-sized treat. That's it guys, I'm gonna go grab some donuts before those boys devour them all. But before I go, just a quick reminder to hit those like and subscribe buttons if you enjoyed my video, and drop a line in the comments and let me know what you've been using your air fryer for. Thanks for watching.